So, I already done some pizzas from Sprite, from Cola, we today making from Fanta. I like oranges, interesting how it will turn out in pizza. So, I hope everyone know my recipe. We take bowl, we take scale, we take 120 grams of Fanta, yeah, just like they do in Napoli, just like this. Every Napoli guy should know how to make pizza dough from Fanta. So salt, a little bit of oil, yeah, just a little bit, and 180 of flour. We top it up with some active dry yeast, yeah, active dry. So make it fast. And as always, just take our spoon, casually mix it up. Yeah, finish up by hand when it's like getting together. Just like this, you know, we can go right now, finish it by hand and see what we can make from Fanta actually. Is it greatest Napoli pizza or no? It totally smells like Fanta. It's strange. Okay, it all looks beautiful, so let's try out what will happen. So what's happened with our dough in like 1 hour? You see, it's still not proofed. I don't like it. But who cares? Let's check out what will happen with our pizza after we make some Napoli moves. You know, we stretch it out. So my Fanta pizza dough is ready. It's proofed. Look, 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 it's beautiful now. Okay, it smells with oranges. So what I can make from it? Beautiful, you see? Classic Napoli pizza. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Okay, Napoli moves. Just slap, stretch and slap like this. We need to make best pizza with sauce. With some freshly grated mozzarella, guys, freshly grated. Yeah, you see it. Oh, Napoli style, okay. You see, beautiful pizza. It will turn out classic Napoli Fanta pizza dough. Okay, let's go drop it into the oven for 10 minutes and see you bro in 10 minutes. So, classic Fanta margarita. Yeah, just like this. Smells oranges all over the house. Beautiful. Interesting stuff here. I'm so excited how it will taste. So, Fanta margarita. Let's go. Let's taste it. You know, it's kinda strange, it's sweet. Guys, it's sweet. I totally can... oh my god. I totally can taste Fanta, but it's not great. Just super strange pizza, actually. And you better check out my Coca-Cola pizza just on the screen right now, guys.